You know what really drives me mad in DIY and woodworking? Those tiny measuring mistakes that can ruin the final result. Crooked hanging rails, uneven spacing, wasted material, and constantly fighting with tape measure when working alone on bigger distances. Can this little device help me with those problems and change how I measure and plan my projects? Today I'm going to be testing and checking out for you the MILESEEY XTAPE digital laser tape measure in real workshop and home situations to see if it actually makes measuring easier, if this tool is actually helpful, or maybe it's just another gimmick. So watch the video to find out. Traditional tapes are absolutely fine and we do use them on a daily basis. However, you know quite well as I do, they can be a little bit annoying, especially if you're trying to measure long distances, maybe tight spaces. Working alone could be a nightmare in those situations. Apart from a saggy tape, we do have plenty of problems with them, like for example trying to hook them up against a edge. It's very often not holding that edge. Measuring inside a cabinet or a cavity can also be very problematic, and if you're blind like me, sometimes it's actually very hard to read the tape itself and make an accurate mark on your workpiece. This is where the X-Tape gets really interesting, as it seems it could be solving all those issues and have few aces up its sleeve. So let's go through some of the situations where the XTAPE1 is much better than a normal tape. For example, if you're building cabinets and you're trying to take measurements from inside of the box, well, you know very well that it's quite difficult to get a proper reading with a normal tape. Okay, as for example, we want to have the inside. In my case, I want to create a panel over here to give me extra storage, and getting a correct reading with a tape, well, it could be fairly difficult. Regardless of how you're going to use it, you're not going to get a pinpoint accurate reading. The XTAPE1 actually does offer two ways of measurement in this situation. First of all, tell you what, let's use the tape. Okay, I'm going to place the back of the device against the edge just over here, and then stretch out the tape so it's touching the other side. And now with this button here, I can change the reference point for this device where it's going to be measuring from. When I press it once, now it's going to measure from that green line, the green laser mark line. If I press it again, it will measure right from the back. And now I do have a full length of the inside parameter. In my case, it's 65.4 centimeters. I just want to show you very quickly a super cool feature that this digital laser tape has. Mainly if you're using a normal tape and you want to measure your material, you hook it up at one end, and then sometimes it's actually very hard to get the pinpoint accurate reading. But in this case, you simply hook your tape just like so, and then simply use the green laser alignment to give you perfect reading every time. With a normal tape, apart from difficulties of reading the scale, actually you need to make sure that the tape is nice and straight, as if it's under a slight angle, your readings will be incorrect. Whereas in this case, you've got the laser on both sides, so it's super easy to make sure you're perfectly aligned with the edge of your material. You don't have to struggle to look at the tape, the readout is on the screen. The second option of measuring the inside of a cabinet, or in my case this frame, is not to use the tape but the built-in laser meter. We do have this blue button over here, so again I'm gonna change the reference point for the back of this device so I can put it against the frame and shoot a beam of laser with this blue button here and press it again to do the measurement. However, the place that this device will really shine is in situations when you are renovating your house, or maybe you are some sort of a builder, painter, or anything like that. In my house, we do have this space here in one of our bedrooms, and that's supposed to be a built-in wardrobe. However, the last owner decided just to put some rails in that space, and they're not level by any means at all. And he called it a day. That's it, project done and dusted. So what I want to do is to create a proper built-in wardrobe to fully utilize that space. And I think the X-tape will be far better to take the measurements than the normal tape. Let's check this out. First of all, we need to measure how much space we've got here, so how wide this space is. I'm actually going to be using the laser here. So I'm going to put this against the wall, change the readout from the bottom of the device, and just press the laser. Reader, simple as that, and straight away I do have 98.3 centimeters. That's the value I need. I'm not going to be writing down any measurements, as this device does have onboard storage for your measurements. So let's carry on and do the rest of the measurement. Now I'm going to measure the height. Same way, I'm going to place it right on the floor, and this nice flat back actually helps in positioning this device. I'm going to shoot the laser and make the reading. And just like that, few seconds, 257.8 centimeters. Now I need to measure the depth, and to do that the easiest way is to swap the measuring option to the green laser alignment. It indicates the correct position of my device to the frame of the door. How cool is that? It's so well visible. And now I'm just gonna press the blue button here and take the readout, 64.4. And there's another button just on the side. If you wanted to use that, you can do. It's either the blue button at the top or the blue button on the side, whichever is easier for you to use. And I also need to paint this bedroom as well. And to get the right amount of paint, what you have to do is to actually measure the walls, the ceilings, so you will get an accurate reading of square meters. And that will indicate how much paint do you actually need. And trying to do that with, with a normal tape like this on your own without any help, well, you've got absolute no chance at all. It would be a bowl ache to do. But with the X-tape, it's an absolute doddle. Over here, we've got the function button, and it does offer several options here. So the first basic option is the single length. That's what we've been using so far. Then you've got continuous measurement. After that, we do have the area option, and that's what we need to calculate the square meters of our room. And this device will do it for you. So I'm going to select that. And on the screen, you can clearly see what we need to measure first. So in our case, it will be the height. So simply, I'm gonna whack the device on the floor and press the blue button. That's our first measurement done. And we've got 257.9 centimeters. Now we need to measure the length. And quite simply, I'm gonna put our X-tape 1 against the wall and shoot the beam. And that's it, job done. And just like that, we've got the results. So in total, we've got just over 12 square meters. And as I mentioned, no need to remember or write down the readings. Simply go onto the memory tab, and you do have all your readings here. As you can see, that's our last reading of square meters, but you can toggle through all your readings and everything is here. Now the X-tape 1 can actually be used in a way to break down long boards or sheets of goods in a very quick and efficient way. Check this out. Let's say I want to divide this long board into 30 centimeter segments. Nothing easier than that. Grab your tape, hook it at the end, and I'm actually going to be using the green laser to indicate the location of it. The screen tells me exactly where I am, and the green laser is the indicator where should I put the mark. So let's get right up to 30. Perfect. And I can mark off this position. Now I'm going to pull it further to 60 centimeters. And then right up to 90 centimeters. Quick, easy and precise. However, you might have noticed that the laser line is actually quite thick, and you can say, well, how accurate will that be when the laser line is so thick? Check this out. On the side over here you do have the set button. Click that and you do have several options here. The first one at the top, well, basically you can change it from meters, feet, inches, millimeters, centimeters, whatever you want. You do have also a wireless link, so you can connect this to an application on your phone. Yes, they do have an app as well, and you can turn off the noisy beep if you don't want it. On top of it, you do have some display settings. You can actually change how the tape is looking like on the screen. How awesome is that? And you do have several options that you can use. Absolutely fantastic. Let's go with this one. Also, the rotating display. It depends if you want it on the left, on the right, when it's in the side position. Okay, so that's also an option. And then the color theme, black or white. However, the next option is the one that is very important to us, mainly the laser reference. The green mark is the thickness of our laser, and the red mark is the current position of the measurement. So it's in the middle of the green laser light. However, we can have our reference point at the back of the line or in the front of the line, whichever fits your needs. In my case, it's gonna be behind. I like it this way. Now there is one more very cool feature here, offset. And that option allows you to fully calibrate this measuring device. I don't think many other devices of this type give you that feature. You can actually change the offset, add or retract the amount of what you think it's off by. And that means you can fully calibrate this device so it's ultra precise. As you can see, this is really super helpful. Now, a couple of important things, I think. The measuring tape, that goes to 350 centimeters, so 3.5 meters. However, what's really interesting, allegedly, the laser distance meter goes right up to 100 meters. Well, let's check that out. Now, obviously, I don't have a room of that size, so that's why we are in my garden, and we're gonna try to measure somewhere to the back end of my garden, and we'll see what this device is capable of, even on the outside environment. Now, I did manage to hit something in my garden at a distance of 1108 centimeters. Now, it definitely does pack a serious distance range for sure. Now, I'm thinking of adding a row of cabinets to the top of this wall just to give me some extra storage, and trying to measure a space like that on your own with a tape measure is actually very difficult. Whereas with this device, it's absolutely that simple to do. I can set up the way I like it. I can use the laser line, or I can actually put the end of this device against the edge of where I want to go. Okay, in my case, I want to use the edge of this tool holder I've made, just like that. Shoot the laser, and Bob's your uncle, I've got my readout. At the same time, I don't have to grab a piece of paper and a pen to write this down. I can carry on with another measurement, just like so. And I don't have to worry about anything, as all the readings are in the memory of this device. And for example, if you want to hang some cabinets or French cleats in that matter, which I intend to do on this side of the wall just below here, I can quite easily establish the position of each French cleat. And in this case, I'm just going to be using the tape measure, which will give me the readout on the screen itself, just like that. Plus, I've got the laser line to indicate where I am exactly. And thanks to the laser line, I can accurately align it with my existing tool racks on the left to make sure I'm in the right position. On top of it, on the screen just over here, you do have an angle detection as well. So at the minute, I'm currently a little bit off. So as I tilt this, the degree will change. Now I want to be at perfect 90, just like so. And now quite easily I can mark up the location on my wall. Now, having the display with the amount of centimeters, the height I'm currently on, I can add an exact amount of centimeters to establish the correct position of the second row of French cleats. Super that simple in making sure you're in the right position every single time if you mounting cabinets or French cleats, as in this case. Absolute doddle to do. With the position for the French cleat system established, now I can measure the correct length for my material, which will allow me to cut every single piece to the exact same length, and then on the table saw to add a 45-degree angled cut to these boards. And just to show you that if you mark your work correctly, you're going to get perfect results each time. And the French cleats are fully installed, easy peasy when you follow the simple procedures of measure, mark, cut and install. No project will be too hard, especially if you've got the right tool to do the job. However, if you simply want to put some pictures on the wall or maybe some art on the wall, this tool is also perfect and super simple to use. Check this out. You can quite easily mount it on a tripod. Then we need to find this option, included angle. And there you have it. In the middle you do have degrees, so when you actually tilt this it will change, and on the wall it will be casting the green laser. And in my case I'm going to be using double-sided tape designed for hanging up picture frames. And now I can simply offer this to the green laser light. And there you have it. Nice, quick and simple, all thanks to the XTape1. I think this little device fits perfectly into a workshop environment, but also into anything related to home renovation. If you're a builder, plumber, electrician, I think this will be an absolute perfect fit for you, especially if you're working alone and you don't have anyone to help you out. For me personally, the time where I have to fight my tape measure, they are over. I've got a new kid on the block and I think it's going to do a fantastic job around my workshop, but also for those projects around the house as well. Now this tool does offer even more features, more than I showed you. That's why I'm going to leave a link down below in the description of this video so you can have a look yourself, read about all the function this handy device has. And best of all, you can actually pick this up at a lower price between the 8th and the 30th of June for Father's Day promotion. So check out the price in your country, and I have to say, I don't think you're gonna be disappointed when you get this. At this point, I just wanted to say a massive thank you to my Patreons for the ongoing support. And before you go, check out these two cool playlists, plenty of fantastic videos for you to watch there. For today, that's all. Thank you so much. Take care.